I was interested in getting to know more about how it is actually to be a CTO. And it was great that there's so diverse topics that are covered.
I think we as HPI, we educate the digital leaders of tomorrow.
It's a very structured program where you can learn these lessons by mistakes, or you can learn these lessons from experts that have made these mistakes. And I think the latter one is a lot faster.
Learning from a scaled organization, learning from the startup organization, you can then compare and see where the gap lies and how you can learn from others' experience.
We had some really nice personalities that gave some great insights.
I saw hungry eyes that want to learn. And if you want to learn, I think that's a good program to you. There was a great lineup of CTOs of different kinds of companies that are presenting.
The idea is to have a program that is open to everyone who is a digital engineer or becoming a digital engineer, be it at HPI or outside, and who is looking to make a difference. Technology itself, the knowledge about digital engineering alone is not enough to make that difference.
If you have an entrepreneurial mindset and actually are not shying away from the risk of being a startup CTO, then go ahead and do it early.